Now I will go into introduction. Online Shopee app Shopee has already been integrated into our daily life and is providing users the convenience of shopping online anytime at any location through smartphone. This has a number of advantages such as the efficiency, relatively cheap price, and many products but come with a challenge of personal finance. A lot of users, especially young people and students who have no stable income, cannot control their spending. This problem generally is attributed to persistent promotion discount voucher and eye-catching advertisement that encourage impulsive buying behavior. This matter is serious, the reason being that mismanagement of finance can lead to overspending, financial stress, and also an increasing dependence on credit service and other service offering, including buy now, pay later option. Over time, such habit can fry a user's financial balance and interferes with future saving plans. Therefore, the implementation of budget management system in shopping apps is relevant since it can help to monitor a user expense in real time, analyze his or her spending habits, responsible financial decision to save from unnecessary expenditure.
In this part, I will explain how computational mathematics, specifically matrices, can be applied to a real-world problem in a shopping application. During high-demand events such as 11/11 sales or holiday clearances, product prices in shopping apps change very frequently. These changes happen because of dynamic pricing, limited time discounts, stock availability, and competition between sellers. As a result, it becomes difficult for users to quickly identify which seller offers the cheapest price at any given time. To solve this problem efficiently, we can use matrices to organize, compare, and analyze price data. First, we represent the price data using a matrix called the product seller price matrix. In this matrix, each row represents a different seller and each column represents a specific time interval during the sale. For example, we track the price of wireless earbuds from 4 sellers at 4 different time intervals. This matrix allows us to store large amounts of price data in an organized and structured way. Next, we apply matrix operations to find the cheapest seller at each time interval. By computing the minimum value for each column, we can identify the lowest price at each time. To clearly show which seller offers the lowest price, we use a binary matrix. In this matrix, the value is 1 if the seller has the minimum price at that time and 0 otherwise. From the result, we can see that seller C was the cheapest for most of the sale, while seller A became the cheapest at the final interval. We also calculate the average price for each seller by finding the row-wise mean of the matrix. This helps us identify which seller consistently offers lower prices throughout the sale. In this example, seller C has the lowest average price, making it the most reliable choice overall. To analyze how prices change over time, we use metric subtraction to calculate the price change between consecutive time intervals. Negative values indicate a price decrease, while positive values indicate a price increase. This allows us to observe pricing trends and helps predict future price movements during flash sales. Finally, matrices can also be used when a customer wants to purchase multiple items at once. We represent the item prices in a matrix and the quantity of each item in a vector. Using matrix multiplication, we calculate the total cost for each seller. In this case, seller B offers.
Hi everyone, today I would like to discuss about problem without the use of computing mathematics. Without computing mathematics, a budget management system cannot work effectively. The system will have difficulty organizing and analyzing spend data. It will be hard to track expenses over time and to see a spending patterns, such as overspending. In addition, without computing mathematics, the system also cannot compare price clearly between different sellers. This will make them know which seller offer the cheapest price. So, this can cause users spend more money than necessary. As a result, users may make poor financial decisions and find it difficult to manage their budget and maintain financial stability. That's all for me.
4.0 Solution using current technologies. For this section, I will explain how matrix operations are applied in an e-commerce platform such as Shopee through the Smart Buy system. This system uses matrix models to represent price, quantity data, and enhance them using artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and big data. In a basic model, prices are shown using a 2D matrix with a base prediction. The system uses a 3D matrix where row represent sellers, column represent products, and the third dimension represent price probability over time. Using metric analysis such as the price gradient matrix, the system detects the lowest price point and alerts by now. It can also recommend the most cost-effective product confirmation across different sellers. This system is realistic and helps users reduce unnecessary spending while supporting sellers with better inventory and pricing management.
For the conclusion is metric operations are very useful in real life, especially in online shopping platform like Shopee. They help process large amount of data such as price, spending, and product quantities quickly and efficiently. In this project, metrics are used to compare consumer spending and product price. This allows users to better control their budget and avoid overspending. Metrics are also important in modern technology such as artificial intelligence and big data online. Big data. Online shopping platforms use them to analyze user spending patterns and provide budget management suggestions. By using metric-based system, user can avoid impulsive purchase caused by discount or buy now pay later offer. In the future, the system can reduce financial stress and encourage responsible spending habits. So this show that metric are not only mathematical concept but also practical tools for managing personal finance. And that's all for us. Thank you.